Thank you for tuning in again, and please can you remember to like the video, and then I'll know to make more videos like this. So I've been looking on the Japanese auction sites and I decided to take a punt with a late Sony CD Walkman, and it's arrived. So I'm just going to take it out of the packaging. No idea if this actually works and what condition it's in. It's very, very small. And there it is. So some of you will be aware of this model, and there's a kind of daddy model to this, the 920, that's the NE920, which has a LCD display inside. That one does go for quite a lot of money, so I decided to go for the smaller version, the cheaper version, and this is it here. So this Walkman is capable of playing standard CDs as well as 8-track based ones and MP3 CDs. And what's amazing about it, as far as I'm aware, is it only uses one battery. This is it, and it really is quite small, dinky. What have we got inside? I've got a battery, but I think it's been in there a little while, and as such there's a little bit of corrosion there, so I better give that a clean. I don't expect this battery to be particularly good anymore. It might take a little bit charge, but who knows. A bit coming off. I'll just use a sharp point just to scratch at one side. That's mostly cleaned up. So will it work? That's the first question. Now the reading head is right over, so it's not in the kind of initial seat position. So the first thing I should hear, if I put a battery in and close this up, is this moving. That's what I would hope. So we're going to get some cheapy batteries out. Jinmashi, yes. Might have seen those on a few different sites, like AliExpress for example. Okay, I'm going to pop that in. And then just close it up initially. Sounds like things are moving in there. Open up again. The head's still in the same position, which does concern me a little bit. So let's put the CD in. So the light's gone off. It's not in hold. Can I just play? What I probably need to do is put a remote on there. Thankfully, I'm a collector of things, so I have got a remote. This is a mini disc remote with a display and some bog standard headphones. Hopefully this is going to work. Alright. I'll come at track 2. And I can hear something, thankfully. Wow, that's good. That does seem to at least be playing CDs, so not a total loss, the fact that the battery compartment was corroded like that. Anyway, please like this video and join me in my review of this and compare it to some other, well, to another CD player from Sony, maybe a couple of years earlier. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.